Turn on any news channel, and chances are you'll hear about major geopolitical tensions or AI changing the world. At first, they seem like two completely different stories until you look closer and you realize that they're both exposing the same problem: power, or more specifically, electricity. When wars and geopolitical tensions disrupt the oil supply, countries worry about their energy security. And so is the case with AI expansion or even EV adoption for that matter. Power for data centers, major manufacturing push, or for EV charging infrastructure, it all comes down to one singular point. Energy security or energy independence is the name of the game countries are trying to win. India's response: we have been making quiet progress, strictly playing by the book, keep it private until it's permanent. Over the last decade, India has become one of the world's fastest growing renewable energy markets. Solar parks are expanding, wind capacity continues to grow, and thanks to schemes like PM Surya Ghar, rooftop solar is now reaching lakhs of Indian households, not just helping with electricity bills but also making energy ecosystem more resilient and robust across the country. We're also investing heavily in battery storage and strengthening the national power grid because the renewable energy produced can only be used if it can be stored. On the nuclear front too, we've been making major strides. The prototype fast breeder reactor at Kallapakam reached criticality in April 2026, placing India among a handful of countries to successfully be able to do so. It's a part of India's long-term three-stage nuclear program, which eventually aims to utilize our massive thorium reserves. None of these investments make headlines like wars, AI launches, or stock market rallies do. But we're building something even more important: infrastructure that powers them all. Maybe the next global race isn't about just the technology. It's also about who can build the strongest energy foundation. And India is just investing in that. But hey, this is just one perspective. I'd love to know what you think. Do let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more such videos.